issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Madison County in Northwestern Virginia, Southern Shenandoah County in Northwestern Virginia, Page County in Northwestern Virginia, Rappahannock County in Northwestern Virginia, Northwestern Culpeper County in Northern Virginia until 7:30 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Luray, 16 miles south of Woodstock, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Luray, Stanley, Sperryville, Washington, Castleton, Alma, Hunteville, Leexville, Ida, Hamburg, Fairview, Rock Mills, Landyville, Boston, Kimball, Compton, Slate Mills, Vietown, Edmond, and others. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.